Are you struggling with the "your connection is not private" ERR CERT AUTHORITY INVALID error in Google Chrome? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this error and get back to the world of internet. So let's start with the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int-ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Don't skip this step. Once restarted, check if the error is fixed or not. Solution 2. Clear Chrome cache and cookies. To do this, open Chrome. After that, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from here. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now, click on Clear Browsing Data from here. Then click on the box next to Time Range and select All Time from the drop-down menu. Next, hit the Clear Data button, and all the cache data will be deleted from Chrome. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Reset Google Chrome. For this one, open Chrome again. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Next, hit the Reset Settings button, and Chrome will be resetted. Now the error should be gone. So that's how you fix the "your connection is not private" ERR CERT AUTHORITY INVALID error in Google Chrome on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.